What is up, guys? It's your boy Dom with MDP Auto. We are here at German Motors headquarters. Right now we're going to be swapping out Mo's M4 Comp steering wheel with a CSL M4 steering wheel. This thing's a beaut. Mo's going to take it from here. He's going to show us how to do it and what to do, what screws, and etc. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? So this is the stock steering wheel, as you can see. You'd have to use I would say a T20 bit. You know, mine's on a screwdriver, and you can see that there are already pre-made holes inside the steering wheel provided by BMW. You just got to push through and release the tabs for the airbags to release. There's one on each side. You remove the airbag. Usually we'd have to turn the ignition off before we remove the airbag. Technically, you're supposed to take off the battery first before you take the airbag out. But you know, we're professionals over here, so we'll take the risk. That's a lot of Loctite on a dead battery. You just do a quick release and the connector should release with it. You can see the difference between the two. You got the Alcantara steering wheel with the M Performance stitching and the carbon face. You see the difference in the back too. Gives you some grip on the rear paddles on the minus and the positive for that BMW performance driving. All right. So connect the connectors back. Put the screw in. Show you thread it in by hand. Airbag back in. Horn works. There you go. OEM++. And that's how you upgrade your steering wheel at German Motors.